Hi there, and welcome back to another BobBlast. I'm Bob Burridge, and as you can tell, I'm outside of my studio on the deck. Wonderful time of the day to be out here. It's where I'm going to be doing my mounting of paper. I get this question all the time. What do I do with my paper paintings? And what's an inexpensive but effective way to show you how to mount the papers and get them into the galleries? I can't wait to show it to you. So here's a great way to save some money on framing. I buy myself these Cheap Joe Prime really good cradle panels. They're wooden, they're fantastic, ready to go. They're beautiful, they're inexpensive. I take my paper piece, already the same size, maybe a little bit smaller than the canvas or the panel. All right? And the next thing I do is I take the panel and I brush the sides with a dark color like gray or black and a little bit in on the top, just like this, all the way around. After that has dried, I glue it with a gel medium right on top of that. Let me show you what I do next. So after this side color has dried, put it flat on the table, I take gel medium, lots of it, and put it all over the wooden panel. And also gel medium all over this. So it's nice and sticky. Nice and sticky. Position it. Remember, this gel medium doesn't dry right off the bat. I position it, squeeze it down, roll it out, wipe off the excess. You've seen me do this before. Take a weight. This is a big board here, right? Weight. And then on top of it, you put a bucket of water on it. Keeps the edges from coming up. After 24 hours, take the weight off, take the board off. Voila, it's all done. Hope this worked and saved you a lot of money. Take care.